Hiya! So I wasn't actually planning on going anywhere today. So I just got out of work, came home. It's like just gone past 6, I think. Yeah, 6:06. So yeah, I'm planning on going to the Barbican art gallery. I was actually supposed to go yesterday, but then I decided to meet up with some friends and have a drink, and relax. But today I was supposed to meet some other friends, and yeah, that didn't happen. So I thought I might as well go to the Barbican art gallery since it's open till 9 p.m. and I've never been before, might as well. There's this two interesting exhibitions going on, so I don't know, I'm gonna try and book tickets now, and if that doesn't work, then yeah, I'll have to see what to do. But yeah, the reason why I decided was because right now it's kind of sunny, which is surprising because it was like raining. Actually, I'm zooming in on some of these cars. That's weird. Let's not do that. But yeah, it's actually somewhat sunny, so I thought okay, that's very zoomed in. Might as well go because it's my last night living in this flat that I've lived in for 2 years. Last night living in London before I move home, and yeah, might as well go when it's the most convenient right now whilst being in London. And yes, kind of a solo celebration for finishing uni entirely. I feel like right now, moving out, it feels like I'm done with uni, because like before, a while ago, it's like I knew I was going to go home, visit my parents and come back to move my stuff out, but now it actually feels like, yeah, uni life is over and time to become an adult. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit then, because yeah, I want to freshen up a bit and then go. yeah, that was the exhibition. Oh, it's so dark right now. It's like brighten up. But yeah, that was good overall. It wasn't as big as I expected. Was it that big? I mean, there was a lot to do in a small space, I think. It'd be nice if they spread it out, but yeah, I can imagine that it's quite difficult to do that. So yeah, overall it was really good and had a good time. Like my last exhibition for a while, I think, because I'm going to be moving back home. And yeah, it's tiring to go out this late when you're like living in zone 6. So, followed plans, pretty. So yeah, I'm going to now head back home, pack whatever left I have to pack, and then yeah, tomorrow I am moving out of London for a while for the foreseeable future. Yeah, it's kind of sad, but you know, save money on rent, and yeah. Overall today was a good day, better than I thought. Yeah, work was good and exhibition was good, had a good time overall. Yeah, I think I'm tired holding my hand up, so see you guys in a bit. Crossing over the bridge right now. Bye. A very quick update for you. It's yeah, there's a lot of echo right now because everything's gone in my room. Oh yeah, besides that I need to take that down actually, those post-its. But yeah, uni life is officially done. I'm not looking at the camera, that's one way, I've just been looking at myself. But university life's officially done. Didn't get around to doing an outro actually yesterday because I had to pack everything. So yeah, doing kind of just a little snippet right now of my room, like empty, more clean. And yeah, I'll do an outro tonight after I'm back home and got some stuff. No, probably won't unpack today, but yeah, I'll slowly get on to doing that. But yeah, university life is officially done. Now for the adult world, the work life. And yeah, feels strange, but yeah, I feel like right now compared to my last exam, this feels done. Yeah, university life finally feels like I'm done because I'm like moving out of London to like zone 6. Yeah, it's been a journey, but an enjoyable one. Hi guys, so today is Sunday and I actually said I was going to make an outro Saturday, like Saturday evening when I got home after moving out. But I actually went to the shopping centre for a bit with my family just to like, you know, hang out and stuff, day before Father's Day, you know, spend time with the family. And so when I got home, I was just so knackered and I still decided to unpack some of my stuff because there was just so much and I didn't want to leave in boxes all over because the neat freak inside of me was I need to get stuff out. So yeah, that's what I did the rest of my Saturday and Sunday afternoon, and this is why I'm filming my outro Sunday evening. So yeah, that's what it is right now. And talking about Friday's exhibition, it feels so long ago because there's so much that happened in between, but Friday's exhibition, AI More Than Human at the Barbican. So here's the little leaflet that I got, and yeah, inside it just contained information on the different sections as what I showed you in the videos. I think at the back here, yeah, at the back here has a glossary because this is what I really wanted. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool that they're actually like explaining tech terms to people who come, because there are because yeah, the ones that they show like algorithm, artificial life, deep learning, neural networks are the core of the technology behind all the stuff that they are building currently, and if you didn't explain it, it can get confusing quite fast. So overall it was great to go to the exhibition. There was a good amount of information from the start. Like obviously it talked about the culture of Japan quite a lot, because obviously we know they make a lot of crazy tech products, but also about kind of the history of where certain concepts have stemmed from, and how the mindset of Japanese people are to be creative, to be innovative and build products. It's just like part of their lifestyle almost, to improve for the greater humanity and people in general, to build stuff that enables people to be more productive, for people to be more efficient and do their jobs better. And that was very interesting. And then to also see the first part of history about computing. Obviously Alan Turing, most famous, was mentioned. Ada Lovelace, one of the first female computer scientists. So it was great to read up on history about that. That's one part of computer science that I really like, just learning about all the past from where it started to where we are today. And then there was a lot to do in the exhibition. It was very interactive, which was great. You could see obviously like robotics and stuff was kind of one big interesting part of computer science, so you could like interact with the little robot doggy, which was so adorable, and I'm so happy that they got it working in the end, because at the start it was broken and somebody had to go fix it. So yeah, it was great play with the little doggy. And then also the main kind of big robot which could copy human gestures. That was so interesting to play around with as well. I was obviously holding a camera, so that's why the robot had its arms like this most of the time, because I was trying to move my other arm whilst holding my camera in this arm, and it's like, if you're not holding a camera and you were just in this position, it looks really odd. But with a camera, obviously that's why the robot was in that position. And then obviously there was a lot of other stuff like games, and how the use of gamification could could be used for other parts of life. So for example, the Lego, which was a little simulation game of building a happy city. The AI slash machine learning slash machine learning and image processing and stuff used to detect humans and different objects when put in front of a camera. So like something like IBM Watson is one major program that people use, because you can easily use that without having much tech background. There's a lot of documentation, so we definitely recommend people who are interested in that stuff to use it. Does the price justify this? I don't know, because I paid student price, but that's for you guys to judge, and from the video I am showing you right now. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Comment down below what you thought, what you'll recommend. Like this video so I know you like this type of content, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!